Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack Dragon Ball Legends and get unlimited get unlimited crystals. Sorry, how to hack Dragon Ball Legends and get unlimited crystals. I am a bit ill, I'm a bit under the weather, but we're going to get right into it. We're going to be downloading an app called Dragon Ball Legends Plus Plus. Now, if anybody plays Dragon Ball Legends, they already know how it works. They already know, especially the level upping process. It's very difficult. It's very tedious. Great game though. Don't get me wrong. But here, let me show you. With Legend Ball or Dragon Ball Legends Plus Plus, you have the on screen, which for some reason I can't open up right now. Give me 1 second. There we go. Okay, so look, you can see. Apologies again. I'm a bit ill. You can see this is the screen. Can you see this? If it'll focus, there we go. Turn this on. Look at that. All characters unlocked just like that. And if we want to max out all levels, turn that on. All of our guys are now maxed out. Now, you don't have to do this. You can just play with some of them if you want. So sorry. If you want to play with any characters you want, you can unlock it and play with any characters you want. You don't have to max them out. I do understand that that kind of does defeat the whole fun of the game, but yeah, let's get right into how we can actually download this for yourself at home. So here we go. First thing we got to do is go into the settings app. Once we have the settings app opened up, we are checking for two things before we can actually download the Dragon Ball Legends Plus Plus app. First thing is in general. Head over to About and look at the software version. As you can see, for us the software version is 15.6.1. Anything above iOS 10 will work for the downloading process. However, anything below will not work. So once we know this, we can swipe back out, go over to battery. In battery, we're going to look at the low power mode. Anything that is downloaded with low power mode on, it just seems to glitch out. The downloading process doesn't seem to work as well. So for that reason, we're going to keep it off, at least for when we're downloading the app. However, when we are done with downloading the app, you can turn it back on for whatever reason you need to. But yeah, once we have checked this off, we are going to swipe up. Going to go over to Safari and go to appbuild.vip. Once in appbuild.vip, we're going to go over to Dragon Legends or Dragon Ball Legends Plus Plus. So once we are here, we're going to hit install. Once you can see, once it's downloaded, you can hit allow, close, and swipe up. Then go to settings. Go over to general again. Go over to VPN device management. Now Dragon Ball Legends Dragon Ball Legends Plus Plus. Hit that. Hit install. Hit 1223. It's my passcode. Hit consent. Hit install. Double install. Done. And swipe up. As you can see, right there, Dragon Ball Legends Plus Plus is downloaded, is ready to go. Very simple, very straightforward. Now remember, when downloading this, you want to ensure your two things to make sure that there are no mess ups. You want to make sure that iOS is above iOS 10, because you physically cannot download this app without iOS 10 or above, and you need to make sure that your low power mode, as you can see mine, is your low power mode is off. If you try it with low power mode, you might be able to download it successfully, but it will glitch out. I guarantee it. I've tried it before. But yeah, very simple, very straightforward. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully, I will see you guys soon. Peace.